Hello, my friend. It's wonderful to have you here today. Welcome to the first day of our 30-day English shadowing journey. Thank you for choosing to learn English with me. No matter where you're from or what your English level is, you're always welcome here. I hope you're feeling comfortable and ready to practice. Before we begin, I'd like you to take a slow, deep breath. This is your time to relax, focus, and enjoy learning. There's no pressure here. You don't have to speak perfectly. You don't have to know every word. All you need is a willingness to try. Every time you come back to practice, you're building a stronger habit. And every small step you take brings you closer to speaking English with confidence. Today is the beginning of our journey together. During this challenge, we'll practice a little every day. Some lessons may feel easy. Some may feel more challenging. Both are part of learning, and both will help you grow. In today's lesson, I'll read each sentence clearly. After each sentence, you'll have time to repeat it in your own voice. There's no need to rush. Speak naturally, take your time, and enjoy the process. Remember, confidence doesn't appear overnight. It grows through small, consistent practice. So let's begin our first lesson together. Oh, before we start, may I ask you for one small promise? Stay with me until the end of today's practice. That's all I'm asking. Just keep going, one sentence at a time. Even if today's practice feels a little challenging, don't stop. Can you do that? I believe you can. And I'll be here practicing with you every step of the way. All right, my friend, let's begin. I trust my journey. I trust my journey. I trust my journey. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I learn something new every day. I learn something new every day. I learn something new every day. Great job, my friend. You're doing really well. Let's keep going. Every small step matters. Every small step matters. Every small step matters. I don't compare myself with others. I don't compare myself with others. I don't compare myself with others. I enjoy learning at my own pace. I enjoy learning at my own pace. I enjoy learning at my own pace. Wonderful work! You're already making progress. Keep speaking with confidence. I become more confident every day. I become more confident every day. I become more confident every day. I speak with courage. I speak with courage. I speak with courage. I learn from my mistakes. I learn from my mistakes. I learn from my mistakes. Well done. Take a moment to be proud of yourself. Now, let's continue. Every mistake helps me improve. Every mistake helps me improve. Every mistake helps me improve. I am stronger than I was yesterday. I am stronger than I was yesterday. I am stronger than I was yesterday. I keep moving forward. I keep moving forward. I keep moving forward. Amazing job! Remember, every sentence you say is helping you improve. Keep going. My progress is real. My progress is real. My progress is real. I celebrate every small success. I celebrate every small success. I celebrate every small success. I choose patience over pressure. I choose patience over pressure. I choose patience over pressure. You're doing great! Stay focused and enjoy this practice. We're almost there. I never stop learning. I never stop learning. I never stop learning. I am proud of my effort. I am proud of my effort. I am proud of my effort. My confidence is growing. My confidence is growing. My confidence is growing. My future is full of possibilities. My future is full of possibilities. My future is full of possibilities. I trust my journey every single day. I trust my journey every single day. I trust my journey every single day. Wow! You did it! You've completed day 1 of our 30-day English shadowing journey. I'm so happy you stayed with me until the end. Take a moment to smile. You really deserve it. Every sentence you spoke today was a step forward. It doesn't matter if you made mistakes. What matters is that you kept going. And I'm really proud of you for that. Remember, you don't become confident by waiting. You become confident by practicing. Just a little, every single day. I hope to see you again tomorrow for day 2. We'll take another small step together. Until then, take care of yourself. Keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep trusting your journey. See you tomorrow, my friend.